All right, class info time. A really good way to think about class info is that it's like the objectives plus or additional lesson goals, meaning we have our objectives from VIP Kid, but we all know that there are other goals in the lesson or other topics included that are important. This is a way we can list those additional lesson goals as a heads up for things we need to make sure we're prepared to teach, we know how to teach, we're ready to teach. Okay, so what goes here? Basically any goal of any type that is specific to this lesson. So high frequency words, sentence frames, vocabulary words, sight words, themes, phonics, verbs, grammar, readers, word bank words, basically anything that's in the lesson that is a goal for the student to learn but isn't specifically listed in the objectives from VIP Kid. For example, in this lesson, we have our objective, our vocabulary, our sentence patterns, and our grammar, but as you can see, it doesn't say anything about Sunday and Tuesday, so this would be a good thing to include for this lesson. Also notice that the sight words haven't been included in the lesson objectives, so our sight words would be additional learning goals. So adding this in to the class information section helps us as teachers see what we should be prepared for and ready to teach. Things we do not want to put in. Lesson or slide feedback for VIP Kid about the lesson. If it's something that you think it should be changed or fixed or addressed, and VIP Kid is who is your audience, this is not the section for it. Remember that these notes are for other teachers or for yourself. So these are not reviews about the lesson for VIP Kid in hopes that they can fix or change something. Where you want to do that, when you're entering your feedback, the section at the bottom where you can type in feedback about the lesson, that's where you want to put in feedback for VIP Kid about this specific lesson. Again, things that aren't in the lesson or that don't apply to the lesson. These would not be good additions to the class info section. Okay, hopefully this helps you understand what should be included in the class info section. Just remember additional lesson goals. That's what class info is all about.